Mana, Roy? Awan, Roy.
Check the mirror, bro. Mirror.
Ay, orang Pwede na hazard. Hazard. Ang klase na eh.
Oo, kanang. Sapag
Ngayon.
Gear.
Full
Plus
clutch
na
gear. Reverse na.
Gear. Bra.
Wala na rin ba yung hanger, pre?
Nenegwe.
Nenegwe sa clutch. Nenegwe sa clutch.
Ay naglat ito isilitor. Ay naglat ito.
Okay. Paano na yun?
Ay sa pre. Ginipinis mo yan.
Ito ano ganito. Reverse. Clutch. Clutch. Sunod ang clutch.
Bra.
Andos.
Termina. Segunda. Ay, segunda na. Segunda to.
Segunda mas, pre. Nahina na ito, pre. Tawasan na. Sarili ka na. Wala. Tawasan, pre.
Dito magkinta no?
Dali maman ba?
Kita clutch.
Dali maman.
Kinta.
Oh, boss. Dipring, gagawin lang hangir. Dali hangir ba ha? Dali na, boss. Kinta na ka. Dili ka ito. Sa gili ito. Sugdo no? Pero pagkahang na, mapalong mo na. Mana. Next.
10 Commandments of Driving. Thou shalt not keep thin eyes on the road. Stay alert, avoid distraction, and continuously scan your surroundings. Number 2. Thou shalt not speed. Obey posted speed limits and adjust speed for weather, traffic, roads condition. Number 3. Thou shalt not maintain a safe following distance. Use the 3-4 second rule and increase distance in a poor condition. Number 4. Thou shalt not use turn signals faithfully. Signal early and clearly before changing lanes or turning. Number 5. Thou shalt not drive impaired. Never drive under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or extreme fatigue. Number 6. Thou shalt respect right of way. Yield approximately, especially at crosswalks, roundabouts, and intersections. Thou shalt keep thin vehicle in good health. Maintain brakes, tires, lights, fluids, and engine for safe and efficient driving. Number 8. Thou shalt check blind spot. Always look over your shoulder when changing lanes or merging. Number 9. Thou shalt not remain calm behind the wheel. Avoid aggressive driving. Be patient, polite, and predictable. Number 10. Thou shalt not buckle up and ensure all others do too. Seatbelts save lives, every passenger, every trip.